The real fun with XUV700 begins when you take it out for a spin. What you see here is the heart of XUV700, which breathes power and innovation. Under the hood of XUV700, we have high-performance M-Hawk diesel engine and a high-performance M-Stallion petrol engine. XUV700 takes 0 to 60 km per hour in just 4.6 seconds, best in its class. Tap the pedal, you get 200 bhp, you reach 200 km per hour. You really get the adrenaline rush. Not only that, with 3 distinct drive modes, zip, zap, zoom, the XUV700 takes the driving pleasure to next level. With zip mode, it makes your city drive very comfortable. With zap mode, the wanderers get an extra thrust of power. With the zoom mode, you can feel the takeoff. The real breakthrough is, it lets you to customize the drive mode. Thus, you define the rest. Adrenaline is best experienced with the assurance of safety, and XUV700 knows this best. XUV700 is designed for highest safety standards. It comes with ADAS, an advanced driver assistance system, with a camera and radar technology that is extensively calibrated for Indian roads. There is never a dull moment when you are driving XUV700. If you feel drowsiness, in case, the driver drowsiness system will detect and alert you immediately. Imagine you can even record the overspeed alerts in your loud own voice. And lastly, we have built 7 airbags and DSC, Dynamic Stability Control Program, that continuously monitors your vehicle and takes corrective action during cornering. With the option of all-wheel drive, you get outstanding traction on rough terrain. XUV700 has clear mission. It unconditionally unites driving dynamics and safety. Explore the impossible.
We have an XUV700 for everyone who seeks a rush, with the widest range of offerings you will find in this category. To know more about that, stay glued on to our handles and watch out